Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your games on your PS4 for more storage or uninstall them. So you might be getting an error under like downloads right here. It says you're out of storage space and you need to delete games. So what we want to do if that occurs is just go over the game on home screen, and we could probably find it under here. So we can just press options on it. So press options and then going down to delete. And you can remove the game from your PlayStation 4. Otherwise, you can go over to the library and you can find the game under here too. And then you can delete it here. Now, if you want to delete multiple games at the same time, however, we want to go up to the top and go to settings. Then scroll on down under the screen until we get to storage and calculate the system storage. Now, mine is very quick because I only have 2 games. But go to applications. Find the game. Now, press options under this menu. And then go to delete. And we can select all the games at once, and we can go to delete here in the bottom right. And this will clear up all the system storage. Now we can go back. There's other things that we can delete too, like gallery, save data, themes. So we might have a lot of video clips on our PlayStation 4. So if we go to the gallery, we can just sort by video clips, and we can delete those video clips off. So some of those might be like 10 to 15 gigabytes or whatever, if they're very long video clips. Just clean up those. Then the saved data, this is everything that's going to be on our PlayStation that's saved in terms of the game saves. So most of these will probably be rather small files, like Grand Theft Auto is only 100. And then Minecraft, if we got a bunch of Minecraft worlds, that might be taking up 2 or 3 gigabytes. So you can look at deleting some Minecraft worlds as well. And then themes shouldn't be too much of an issue. So mostly it's just the games. But delete some stuff. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.